Welcome to AiSign. Today, we're guiding you through creating a contract template with ease and efficiency. First, navigate to the Template tab. You can drag and drop or upload your document. Enter the template name and specify the number of recipients. You can also add an optional email title and message. Click Continue to move into the editor. Here, simply drag and drop the fields onto your document to complete it. For multi-user contracts, switch users by clicking on Placeholder 1 and selecting Placeholder 2 or 3 from the drop-down menu. Once all fields are added, press Continue. To use your template, click Use. Enter each signer's name and email address, with an optional title and message. Click Continue, and watch as the system takes you to the editor with all fields pre-populated. You can add more fields if needed. Finally, after clicking Continue, the system takes you to a completion page, confirming the document has been sent out. And that's it. Creating and using templates with AiSign is that simple. Thanks for watching and happy signing.